It's really simple. So just watch them and you'll be able to do it without a problem. Are you ready? Okay, watch them. They're going to demonstrate it for you. See, isn't that easy? See, it's easy. No chickening out. No chickening out. Okay, you saw it. Now, we're gonna have number 1 and number 2 do it together. Number 1 and 2 do it together. Judges, keep your eyes on number 1. Number 1, you can't leave. Come back. You can't, once you're committed, you're committed. You gotta do it. Okay, 1 and 2. Face each other and go up to the front, take 2 steps forward, and go in front of the judges, and you'll do it together. Okay, are you ready? Now remember, you gotta impress the judges, not the other guys. The judges are on your left and on your right, depending on which way you're facing. Okay, you're ready, go! Don't watch each other, just do what comes natural. There you go. All right, number 1 and 2, thank you. Okay, number 3 and 4.